it's a decent amount. So if you look up like a 3-carat diamond, it's a decent amount I spent on her. But she deserves even more.
Numbers-wise, what we talking?
I mean, how much was it? 35K? 35K, yeah.
35,000 bucks.
That boy got a bag.
So he spent that much on a wedding ring for you as a gesture. What does he get in return?
I think I should answer.
Some guys might not like this take, but I like how this gentleman stepped up for his wife. I'm going to be honest. I don't like how the interviewer, I don't want to say attacked the wife, but even questioned the wife and said, in this situation, what do you bring to the table? Because that's not for you to judge. If you was going to ask that question to anybody, you should have just directed the question to him. You already asked him how much he spent. And the only reason you even brought up that woman's value and or even questioned it is because you heard that dollar amount of $35,000. Why can't we just say, oh, wow, congratulations. Well, what did she do for you? What did you see in her? What did she bring out of you? You can ask those inciting questions to him without trying to put the spotlight on that woman and low-key try to embarrass her. And embarrass her is being a little dramatic. But I'm not going to lie. I can understand why the ladies love this take.
The way he talks her out of wanting what she wants.
No, she don't care about like nothing.
Yeah, I'm not materialistic in prices. So.
She's really more so a thoughtful girl. Like it's a thought in there.
$1,500 ring would be just fine with you.
No.
Don't say no. Don't show up. Don't say no.
When did anyone ever propose to you?
Ever propose to you?
Nobody proposed to me yet.
Exactly. So why would a $1,500 ring mean anything?
Got a good question.
Exactly.
But that's what I expect.
No, that's what you expect, and it's because you're too picky.
Okay. Guess I'm too picky then.
Yes, I know you're too picky.
Seems like you guys love each other very much.
Yeah, I love this girl so much. Like we've been through like
a ring doesn't matter. A ring doesn't matter.
Yeah, it don't matter. It matters in a certain aspect, but
most people will be envious of that and not even be aware that it's envy that they're feeling or jealousy or whatever like that, because it's something that they really, really, really want. And it's not, I don't think it's always conscious hate. I feel like just some people don't feel like they deserve the things that you have the nerve to go after. And so therefore they will think negatively about it, not even knowing, or try to water down your dream. Oh, who says you can get married and you've been divorced twice and you have two different baby fathers and things like that, or you have an ex-husband and baby father? Who says that you can have this type of home? Who says that you can have the ring that you want? A lot of people think like that, and for that reason, that's why you want to keep your vision to yourself. It's your vision. You know, the divine, higher consciousness, God, whoever, Jesus, whoever you subscribe to, they gave you the vision. That energy gave you the vision, and that's between you and that energy. Or like my mom has seen this in my children. They're not going to think negatively, about the things that I want. I know that for sure.
Okay, so maybe you have not watched the TikTok video on the controversy between the two videos that I just showed you. And I'm including my wedding photos because I, according to the internet, I have hit the wall. Nobody would have wanted me, blah, blah, all the BS that I've told you ladies from a long time, years ago. Stop listening to what the internet has to say and listening to what other people have assigned to you in terms of what you deserve. You determine what you accept / what you deserve, period. So the controversy between these two videos, one couple was interviewed and the man straight up said, hey, my woman actually deserves more than the $35,000 ring. But here are the things that I actually get in terms of investing in her. And I shouldn't have to say this, but this is what needs to be said. We're talking about a good woman and a good man. We're talking about a man and a woman that equally, that loves each other and wants the best for one another. One is not trying to get the other, and vice versa. It is about love, growth, family, building, etc., building a life together. But Then the second clip where and I hate to make this about race, but one, it's obvious that one couple is one color, the other couple is another color. One guy is like protecting his woman. Hey, I'm going to answer this question. What do I get in terms of this investment? And he's saying, actually, this is not even enough in terms of what she is worth. And then the other guy is like, oh, yeah, you don't need another ring. At first, the girl says, the black girl, yeah, $1,500 is not enough for a ring. This is basically what I want. And then her guy tells her that, don't show off. Don't da-da-da-da. It's materialistic and da-da-da-da. A ring. And then at the end of the video, she says, oh, a ring doesn't matter. But at the beginning of the video, she was adamant about wanting a ring and saying that $1,500 is not enough in terms of the investment of the ring. Now, some ladies would be okay. It depends on what it is you like. First of all, it's about what you like. What's your preference? Do you want a ring that looks a certain way? Because it's not necessarily all about the cost, but how does it look? Is it a ring that you're going to want to wear for forever? And the issue is that if it was her idea, that's one thing, but it obviously was not her idea in that moment. He had to talk her out of it. Oh, well, who has ever proposed to you? What? Who has ever proposed to me? And a lot of people in their comments were like, oh, he's gaslighting her and da-da-da. All these technical terms in terms of relationship, narcissism, da-da-da-da, that's neither here nor there. Why? Your man should not be talking you out of the things that you want for your life. If you want to be married, allowing a man to say, oh, it's just a piece of paper. Oh, marriage is da-da-da. Because you know what? That's not true. That is not true. And the thing is when a man says it's just a piece of paper, that is him saying you are not, or not only that, it's just a piece of paper, it's just a ring, it's materialistic, you don't need that. Whoever proposed to you, don't show off, don't da-da-da-da. That is his way of telling you, I'm not going to do that for you. But like the guy said, the black guy in the clip, he said, it is something along the lines of it is, but then it's not. Like it's a ring matters, but then it doesn't. It matters for the woman he wants to give it to and the woman that demands it. And you ladies need to understand that if you demand certain things, and not in a masculine way, like I need this or else. No, it's this is what is acceptable to me, and this is what is not acceptable to me. And you could tell in that clip that the black couple, they've been together for a while. She said, oh, we've been through thick and thin. I'm not trying to be through no thick and no thin. And you ladies need to stop agreeing to that. Oh, I'll go through thick and thin. Now, there are hard times, sometimes I guess, but I'm not claiming that or speaking that into my existence for my marriage. Absolutely not. I am speaking, and it was in my vows, more life, the best of life, opulence, abundance, just fabulousness, not no damn thick or thin. Why? So you're going through the thick and the thin, and you're being told, don't show off, don't get brand new. Yeah, it's not about a ring, but it is about a ring. And a lot of you say it's not about a ring when it is about a ring, and then you live a life full of resentment because you're not getting what it is you actually want. If you stand on what you actually want and you are grounded in that, and you will never let anybody, it doesn't matter the man, it doesn't matter whatever attributes in his potential, you will never let potential take you away from the actual desires of your heart. And that's the difference between the ladies that get what they want and live a happy, fabulous life. It has nothing to do with the amount of money their man makes. It has everything to do with their level of happiness, peace, and leisure, and what makes sense to them. So stop letting people talk you out of the things that you want. And and by people, I mean the man that you are with right now. The man that does not want you to grow, the man that does not want you to succeed, the man that does not want to buy you the ring that you desire. That's who I'm talking to. So stay strong and grounded in the things that you want and be committed to your happiness and your best self, and it will manifest, and you will be a better wife, a better mother, a better everything to everybody else when you do what you desire. When you focus on yourself and hone in on what it is that you want, so that you are pouring into yourself. That way you're not running around doing random interviews on the street and getting embarrassed because your man is telling you what you desire and what you do not desire. I hope this video helps somebody. Have an amazing day.